Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to upload your glitch project into GitHub account. So first of all, go to your glitch project and then click tools and then go to import export. Here you can grant access from the GitHub. After that, go to your GitHub account and then create a new repository. For example, I'm going to give project 1. Click create repository. So after that, copy your project GitHub project link here and then paste it and then go to the glitch account, click export to GitHub. Your username and the project name should be here. Click. And then it will give you alert message, custom commit message, updated the glitch, then click OK. Successfully updated. After the alert message, you will see this had recent pushes 3 seconds ago. So you have to compare and pull this request. And then it will automatically update it with this message comes. You have to create the pull. And merge pull request, confirm merge, and comment here. Press update or something. After go to the code, you will see the custom files you have added here: script.js, index, HTML, and CSS. So this is how to update your glitch account project into the GitHub account.